Lemon drop peppers, let's go. I have some lemon drop peppers that I just harvested a couple days ago, and I put them in the dehydrator. This is a Kosori dehydrator. I put them on for 125, and I did 18 hours, and then I did another 6 hours. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grind them up. This is gonna be for lemon drop hot salt. So this will be this season's lemon drop hot salt. So just wanted to kind of show, you know, they get dehydrated down into a spice that I mix, and I keep the seeds and everything together. I'm real crackly and dry, ready to go. I've got this I've only done this because I've been harvesting a lot and I dehydrate a lot of spices, and it's a lot easier to grind up spices. You don't need something like this. You can use coffee spice grinder, like the smaller ones. That's what I started with. And I went through a couple of those just because I ran them a lot and I had a lot. So you can do this with any peppers. Dehydrating them works really well. I make ground spices and we'll use them in Bloody Marys. This one especially, we'll use in Bloody Marys. This one I use in everything. But last year I did Sugar Rush Peach Pepper. Incredible. Another 15 to 30, I think it's 30,000 Scoville. And then I did Aji Mango. So kind of living in the same one. So mango, lemon, and peach. And got a ton. You can really get a ton. It's a nice way to save, especially hot peppers, because adding them as a spice to kind of anything enlivens, like you get the capsaicin up and you get the flavors from the lemon drop. You definitely get the different flavor profiles when you grind them up. So I've dehydrated these. Again, the key is low temp. You really want a low temperature. For herbs, I've been doing 95, which is the lowest that this will go. For the peppers, I did 125 to kind of lock in everything. I think that they just dry out better. My understanding is that dehydrating this way is really good, but freeze drying can be even better. I want to try freeze drying out for sure. I first started by doing dehydration just because it was easy. And then the reason I got the dehydrator was because I had so many trays. Like I'm looking right now at like 4 or 5 trays of just herbs, like, or lemon bee balm or different things that are just kind of sitting out. And by using this and by using more of an industrial spice like this, these are nice because I have 2 of these. And so this goes right into this mixer. And then you have to put this down to lock it. And what's nice about that is this keeps an air suction on this. And so when you grind peppers, you really want to think about where you're breathing. You've got about half of this thing. There is 3 cups. So right now it's showing that I have about 2 cups, which is actually a lot. It's probably, I would say 100 or so lemon drop peppers. So what I'm going to do then is, this grinder is pretty nice. Lock it in. Here is where be very careful about putting your face above this. Okay, here we go. It's nice because you don't really need to at this. I'm just making sure I get all of it in there. Oh yeah, that's so nice. Like when you do it intentionally, it's fine. So you go from about half to about a quarter. So I'm gonna get this ready. I have some others to put in the dehydrator and keep this going. But we're on our way to lemon drop pepper hot salt, and I'm excited to go harvest some more peppers.